Have you ever wondered how people make all those reaction GIFs online? Well, here's how you can make them yourself, using Photoshop. The first thing you'll need is a short video clip. Import that into Adobe Photoshop like you would any other file. The video is probably too long. You want to aim for less than 5 seconds to keep the file small, but the shorter, the better. Once you've trimmed it to the desired length, right-click on the video layer and select Convert to Smart Object. This allows you to do further editing. Under Filters, sharpen the clip. This will deal with some of the blurring that can occur and overall just make your GIF clearer. Now's the fun part. Fool around with the adjustment options. I usually adjust the vibrance, brightness, contrast, and use selective color to change colors around and make it my own. Once you're happy with the way it looks, you're ready to move on to part 2.